Bunjani Buffett, what a brutal game between the Sundowns versus the Kaizer Chiefs at the Loftus Versfeld. 1-1 after 90 minutes. But Buffett, this game, Buffett, I'm surprised to see there's one red card that was issued after 90 minutes. I thought maybe 2 or 3. This was a brutal game, Buffett, with the tackles. I mean, Okiano Kopiro, Buffett, who is out with a shoulder injury. Hey, Buffett, hey, this game had a lot, man. I mean, now you Jaden Adams, the tackle that he gave Umdu Shabalala. Buffett, what was going on in this game? Like, this game, ngathi la team two awathandani Bafethu. Like, these players, it seemed like there was beef of some sort. You know what I'm saying? I watched the Soweto derby and I thought the Soweto derby was brutal. But the namhlanje Bafethu, the game was brutal. I mean, you look at the goals as well. Ronan Williams should have done better. That mistake Bafethu, and he conceded, right? And then Sundowns responded, but Bafethu, this game had a lot of tackles, man. It was brutal, Bafethu. I'm even surprised ukuthi Undlovu was even substituted without getting a red card. Bafethu, this game was brutal. I don't know what are your thoughts, but for me, the tackles sometimes Bafethu mele sisho ukuthi ezinye izinto asisahlekisi Bafethu. Ezinye izinto they are intentional ukuthi ufuna ukuphula umuntu nje. But 1-1 is the scoreline. Surely the Orlando Pirates faithful are happy with this result. They've got an opportunity to catch up to Mamelodi Sundowns after Sundowns dropped 2 valuable points against the Kaizer Chiefs. But what a brutal game, Bafethu. Salute.
Yini lento besiyibukela? Ayikho lento besiyibukela. Ngitshele mina. What's in the karate football we watching here? Amadoda awu2 manje amahlomba tshekile because of le game le. Alright, uCupid shy collarbone and uMduduzi Shabalala could possibly have a broken arm or a dislocated shoulder. Ayikho lento benziwa boNdlovu. Yazi Bafethu, football is a physical sport. Mara hayibo. About Jaden Adams. Jaden Adams deserves to go. And ayikho lento besiyibukela. If siba honest, uNdlovu bekungafanele aqede game. If siba honest, but unompempe uDisathi wenza ngendlela enjengayo. Yabona, this has to be the most chaotic game I have seen between these two clubs. Didn't make for good football. It's not a good representation of South African football. Anyways, Mamelodi Sundowns drops points. It's all in Orlando Pirates' hands now. Isezandleni zePhakamiya. Sekubo bayidedela or bayibamba. We will be there. Alright, let's talk about the game for a second. Karate. So Mamelodi Sundowns tried to approach this game the very same way they approached the Polokwane City game. By deploying their ball-playing players in the middle of the park. 4 of them. Right? In an attempt to control the game, dictate the tempo. Because he who controls the midfield wins the game. Right? They were playing with the 6, the 8, and the 10. Allende was sitting deep as a 6. Adams, Beno Mkwena were playing as a 8. And then Uzwane at the tip of the diamond, he was playing as a 10. Right? And there was an attempt to play the game, wara. But when you do that, you lack width. Yabo, and the Chiefs did so well because Umonyani ubephefumula ngali right. So they needed a bit more width on the side. That's why they had to remove Ulo Uzwane but ete Ulo Umrena, so that Umrena can be an outlet, so that kuzoba nebalance. Umekizwe makagijima ngapha kwa left noMrena gijima ngale kwa right. They are able to stretch the defense of Kaizer Chiefs and make those opportunities. Check the goal of Sundowns. Goal of Sundowns came through the width because in the middle of the park it was so congested because as much as Sundowns were overloading the midfield, Kaizer Chiefs na ibingayibekile phansi ku midfield. Abo Ndlovu bebakhahlela kwasana. Abo Maboy they were trying to post the midfield as well. Abo Mduduzi Shabalala were playing those passes. So the midfield was so congested, it was uncontrollable. The only way you could have won this game is if you operate through the wings. And Umrena Benomtao became that outlet for Sundowns on the right hand side, hence the goal by Uleon. I mean, we have to salute Uleon umalume too much. I think manje unama double figures kuma goal contributions ufike January lo muntu una 5 Champions League and closing in on about 5 or 6 in the league. That's crazy for a player that arrived in January. Not the best of games, but it is what it is. The league is getting interesting. Pirates ya win ihlala phezulu goal difference. We don't know what's going to happen. But whatever happens, we will definitely be there.
I have to be brutally honest now. Brutally honest. Referee, you ruined the game. You ruined the game straight. Nothing else to say about it. the reason this game got out of hand is because of you. Ndlovu should have never seen the pitch after that Cupido tackle. That's not something I can sit and be like, yeah, of course we played well, held them to 1-1 draw. No. Not playing like that. It leaves a bitter taste in my mouth. And that's why they retaliated on Shabalala, who gets the brunt of it. It's because the ref didn't stop it in the beginning there from Ndlovu. Broken or fractured collarbone. Yo. And Ndlovu, I cannot condone that. I condone that. Sis. And then, okay, Adams gets a second yellow for simulation. Okay, sharp, red card, makes sense. Lelepo does the exact same thing. The ref lets it go. Hey, one. Then you start wondering, are the referees pushing a certain narrative for something else? Palamia, that whole pirate saga thing, I don't care. It's every man for himself, whatever. We must do our own thing. Everybody must do their own thing, because if it's the other way, pirates won't do a favor for us. So, that game leaves an ugly taste in my mouth. Okay, to the game, we didn't create much. We were basically playing to survive Mamelodi Sundowns. That's it. That was the whole tactic. Just survive. And we scored one transition, which I spoke about, Sundowns giving it to us. And then the rest were just surviving. And ugly game. I don't know how. We hardly even saw the ball. Only towards the end when Sundowns were 10 men, maybe something happened. But besides that, nothing. Yo, hi, my daughter. What an ugly game. I actually don't know what I watched. I can't sit and be like, I'm happy we drew 1-1 with Sundowns, number one team in Africa. No, not like that. Not like that. Fairness. I just want a fair game. That's it. Wasn't Ndlovu maybe that bad against Pirates? Maybe I need to go see it again. Maybe I was naive. And maybe I was naive. But yeah, no one to it. So, 1-1.
Sibuye phefeni sihamba ngomoya makhosi zongena kanja makhosi zongena Tango Kosi Tango ngiyaqala ukonwabela igame yeChiefs ngolu hlobo. I am starting to be so excited for Kaizer Chiefs. We are very excited. Kaizer Chiefs is doing extra large, extravaganza, extra mural. Hello, sis. Ndalobuza officer Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh, all right, good. Yes, uthanda notumelo Trom. Speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates nepresident abalandeli bebhola Africa yonke jikelele, every Africa. Ungangibona indlela endonwabe ngayo, ndonwabela iChiefs, ndize ndifuna nokhala inyembezi zovuyo, tears of joy. Siyabulela cause umuntu ongenambulelo sizobulela man. Siyesathi xa sibiza sithi sihlangana sowethu nayenza nani lonto le. Ngokusokushiyeka kuba masiwine nje games zethu zi3 eziseleyo ngoba iSundowns iziwinile ezayo zoyi2 kuyafana sizowina. Bazawuqala uyibona ke ngokuba igoal difference yasebenza. Usekhona cause siyayithatha le league. Kuthana ngathi awonwabanga nje. Udropile. Tango Kosi Tango. Hayi ngoku noba njengoba sithe hlangana Soweto noba ningahlukana Soweto ngokugqithiwe.
Ayisinwele bomeza, ayisinwele bafani bami. Ayi first half besilichasha. Cisha. Omukwena bebelifuna ngethoshi kanje. Bengaliboni uJaden Adams uze wabona ukuthi makasusa umuntu endleleni ngoba umnikeza inkingi. Hayi besinilwela bomeza, besifike sigalelekile loftasi, besingahleki nenye into ehlekisayo. Hayi ke waphuma umuntu wabonakala ukuthi makungena uSirino, kanti uSirino uyene bekhona kwi-family meeting. Sezoncedisana noLilepo ke ngoku. Yona thwe beyikhona kwi-family meeting. Zaqala ke inkinga zenu lapho. Zaqala inkinga zenu yezi Sundowns yangoku iSundowns yagalele oSirino ngoba bekhona ke kwi-family meeting. Uyayazi into ekumela yenza. Hayi balwile ngemva umsimango balwa umsimango. Silwela nina kudala iSundowns ithatha ileague nini ngokuzibonakaliseni sisikhathi senu ngokubomeza hayi yeza iSundowns hayi yagcina sisichanile bomeza kodwa hayi siqhubekile salwa uyibonile intshebe uyintshebe bilokhu ivimbile hayi nangokulidumela ithatha iSundowns bomeza sekusele kuni ke manje ukuthi nenze njani yabo.
Yeah, no, perhaps the mentality monster thing comes from a team that knows that they have things under control, right? Perhaps it comes from a team that plays every game in a season knowing that already they've won the league. Perhaps it comes from a team that wins the league at the end of the year, and for the following few months they are just honoring fixtures. So the composure that you see in the games that they play, it comes from knowing that they've already won the league. But once you put them in a position where they have to play all their games in order for them to know Guti by winning league, then that's not the games where you see that mentality monster thing, right? I'll probably talk more about the tactics alley game later on. But the Mamelodi Sundowns that I saw today after conceding wasn't the composed and confident Mamelodi Sundowns that plays every game at this time of the year, having known Uti League Isebe winning, right? The better part of the game after they'd conceded namhlanje, you saw a Mamelodi Sundowns that was playing ingqondo yabo ibatshela ukuthi I am seeing ileague slipping away, right? Hence you saw ama emotions and ama fouls being committed. It's because they became emotional. And a lot was happening kule game. Hence ngithi ngizokhuluma ngama tactics and everything that happened, because I believe we saw things that we shouldn't have seen kule game le, but bengizokhuluma nge-mentality la ukuthi mhlambe le mentality monster esithi bayona, it comes from them knowing ukuthi we don't have to stress, we have things under control, right? We are honoring ama fixtures, but no one can catch up to ama point 8. But now when you are in a title race with a goal scoring machine that is able to score 11 goals in two games, you don't want to be in a position where you are fighting and relying on your goal difference. You don't want to put yourself in that position, especially if you're a Mamelodi Sundowns where every team wants to play low block with you. So ama goal akho angeke azabe maningi in my game, unlike Orlando Pirates where there are still teams that believe that they can have an open play. So it gives them a greater advantage in them being able to score ama goal. You don't want to be in a position where a league is being decided on a goal difference, because it will not favor you, right? So yeah, the Mamelodi Sundowns I saw in the first few minutes after conceding is not the composed, confident one, right? I think it comes from them playing this game and thinking, damn, I'm literally watching a league is slipping away. And even how Ulion celebrated that goal, it wasn't the usual celebration. It was like a sigh of relief from him and also his teammates. That was cool. So yeah, we'll talk more about the game later on. That's what I wanted to say.
Okay, but first that's it for video and I'm trying but to part one because it was a big game, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to video too. Into njengayisho ukuthi thina as ama-fans e-Pirates fethu we are not crazy bafethu kwathi masintshela ukuthi i-Chiefs bedlalisa kabi ngedabi, you guys are like umfuke ngiyatetema go to the nearest police station. Buka namhlanje bra, wonke umuntu is complaining about ukuthi game was brutal. Same thing happened ngedabi bra. The only difference with ngedabi fethu it was one-sided in fact, because the Chiefs okay nathi khona akhona amafala bet esawenza, but mostly nje fethu it was Kaizer Chiefs playing bad. But namhlanje both teams fethu were coming for each other. I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie fethu, and I don't understand how Ndlovu finished that game. So ke country siyayibuza the very same thing, how did Ndlovu even get substituted in fethu? Yellow card A1. Yo, bruh, it's crazy, bruh. I don't know what he playing. There isn't provide bruh. But ngathi unenhlahla futhi umjida. I don't know, bruh. Angeke ngithi referee, but yeah, ngizingeni, bruh, man. Izole ngithe mina ngifuna draw. Any draw is what I think ngitholile, and I'm happy. Coach Wadu, but like
We are on a verge of ukuthi history mfethu. Just win the remaining 3 games mfethu. Asinandaba mfethu ukuthi we play ibhola we don't care. Just win. 1-0 hugs. I am dreaming mfethu. Yabona manje I can see it happening, dog. I don't wanna lie. It is all mfethu. I was hoping for a draw, but I was kind of like, nah, it's not gonna be a draw. Sometimes a win. But namhlanje mfethu, I can see a league mfethu iwina, dog. So come on. Coach Wadu, bra. Nama player mfethu Paris. Mfethu, you guys are going to mfethu, that's it. Ngizobona part 2. Yeah. Subscribe. Ngizobona part 2.